In this episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen, we dive into a beloved holiday dessert, Portuguese-style French toast or rabanadas, soaked in sweetened milk, dipped in eggs, and fried to golden perfection. These are then dusted with cinnamon sugar and finished with a warm port wine sauce and dried fruits. Portuguese-style French toast, 250 grams of sugar, 4 crustless bijou bread rolls, 8 eggs, 1 liter of milk, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 lemon peel, sugar and ground cinnamon for dusting, oil for frying. The port wine sauce with dried fruits. Ingredients are 100 milliliters of port wine, 80 milliliters of water, 200 grams of sugar, sliced orange, 1 lemon peel, walnuts, dried figs, 2 cinnamon sticks. In a pot, combine the milk, sugar, cinnamon sticks, and lemon peel. Whisk well and bring to a boil. Remove from heat and let cool slightly. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and mix in half of the warm milk mixture. Soak the crustless bread rolls in the remaining milk mixture for 30 minutes. Carefully squeeze the bread, dip in the egg mixture, and deep fry in hot oil until golden. Drain on paper towels and dust with sugar and cinnamon. Port wine sauce. In a saucepan, combine port wine, water, sugar, sliced orange, lemon peel, and cinnamon sticks. Bring to a boil. Add the dried fruits and simmer for a few more minutes until slightly thickened. Pour the sauce over the rabanadas and serve warm or cold. These rabanadas are a delicious reminder of Portuguese holiday traditions, rich, spiced, and soaked in love. The port wine sauce adds a luxurious touch that transforms this simple treat into something truly special. Faça e coma!